All right, hi everyone and welcome to 1911's Demo Day. Our first app we have is a web application that takes the form of a collaborative whiteboard. Lets users collaborate through a virtual whiteboard in real time.
Good morning and thank you for joining us today. I'm Laura and these are my teammates, Ming, Nuri, and Liz. And we're Team mlln, the developers behind Hive. Hive is a real-time, interactive collaboration platform that allows users to share their ideas visually and verbally. We built Hive on the principles of collaboration and adaptability. With our responsive and shareable Hive board, we enable users to adapt their ideas quickly and get input from others. And with our chat feature, everyone has a voice. So now we have two colleagues, Mika and Rowena. They both work remotely and they're tasked with a new project. Mika wants to share her ideas visually, so she creates a Hive board to brainstorm. She draws a diagram and sends the room key to Rowena, who shares her opinions. Now Ming is going to discuss how we made Hive board more adaptive for our users' needs.
Thank you, Laura. When we first built the Hive board, we used the HTML5 canvas element. This approach was great for drawing as well as sizing the board. However, as we expanded our board's features, we quickly realized that the native Canvas API was too static for our needs. Despite our initial version using Canvas, we decided to adapt our board's technology to provide a better user experience. Our team decided to switch to Fabric.js for its object model. The object model allows users to have more control to play with their ideas and iterate upon them. Now users can add a text box, edit it, as well as manipulate it. The same can be done for various shapes and lines. By implementing Fabric.js, we freed up more time to augment other app features, including making every action occur in real time. My teammate Nuri will be talking more about this in depth.
Thank you, Ming. From the beginning of Hive, we wanted our apps to be collaborative. This presented us with a unique challenge, but also an opportunity to customize the emission of data between users. At this point, Hive was a full-stack TypeScript application that uses TypeORM, Node and Express on the backend, and TypeScript and React and Redux on the front end. To connect users' actions and messages, we needed WebSockets. By implementing WebSockets with Socket.io, we could decide what was transmitted and when that transmission occurs. For example, if Mika starts drawing on the Hive board and presses down on the mouse, on the release of the mouse, that information passes from Mika's browser to the server, then broadcasted back to Rowena. This series of actions occurs instantaneously regardless of the data passed. Now, Liz will close with our key learnings and goals for the future of Hive.
Thank you, Nuri, and thank you to everyone for joining us today. We loved building this project together and developing solutions to enhance our users' experience. The success of this app depended on utilizing an agile framework development, which is a daily team stand-ups, version control with Git, and feature ticketing. Since Hive is a full-stack TypeScript app, we chose libraries and frameworks that would integrate well with the language. While this sometimes posed a challenge, we felt that the benefits of TypeScript, in particular its readability, predictability, and scalability, outweighed the costs, especially as we grow the app and add new features. The mlln team will continue working on Hive and expand our features to include audio and video chat, upgraded drawing tools, and advanced user functionality. We hope to make Hive an even more adaptive and collaborative experience, a place where colleagues, students, and friends can share their ideas and discover their passions. Please follow our progress and test out our app at hivebymlln.herokuapp.com. We'd love your feedback.
Wow, what a cool application. I can't wait to see what Hive does next.